Well, trades never stop because they're always going to be needed. Technology changes every day. So what we put in 20 years ago is now old stuff. So we need the younger guys coming in behind us and take over. If you've got a trade, it's something that you will always have. The sky's the limit in the electrical world because everything we do is driven by electricity. Hi, my name is Kenneth White. I'm the program coordinator for Centura College, Richmond. I've been in the electrical field for 30 years. I came from manufacturing as well as construction, and Centura invited me to come down to the Richmond campus and start the program down here. We pride ourselves on being hands-on in the labs. We do maintenance work around the campus. We think of all kinds of projects that electricians would be doing out there in the field. So we try to mimic real-life experiences so that they're used to it and they'll be able to perform better. I always try to think of something out the box to try to keep the students engaged, keep them interested. I always try to preach to them, it's not quantity, it's quality. I've had students come into the class that had no idea what a wire was or what a metal conduit was. Have no clue. And I've got students that are going out here now that can bend it better than seasoned professionals out in the field. We are an NCCER secondary sponsor. So by being a sponsor, we can offer a program from core, level 1, level 2, and level 3, and level 4. After they complete a certain level, then they get their certificate. And that certifies that they are proficient in that level. When they graduate, the student will then have the ability to use their diploma and go and set for their electrician's journeyman exam. They're working towards that state license because that state license says I can do any work, any kind of electrical work in the state of Virginia. I enjoy my job. I like teaching the students. It's kind of like my home because I helped put all this together. I created it like I felt it needed to be done to be able to train the students so they can function out there in the field. Everybody that comes through this program has walked out with something they didn't have before. Every time the guys walk across and graduate, to me, that makes it all worth it. I feel that I have done my job.